Welcome back to another banger video, and we're finally going to install the carbon piece we have right here. So let's get straight into it. We got the G80 in the back. We got these two carbon fiber rear apron splitters. Alright, so our biggest sponsor is Extreme Online Store. This is their website. They make high-end quality carbon fiber products. So they make it for all the vehicles you can think of, and most importantly, they take care of you. They take care of your product. They ship it with good care. They fastest shipping they can get to you, and they're just good people. So please check them out. So we're going to install these, but please check them out because they do make the best carbon fiber parts out there, and for a really good price. We're gonna get into this video and install these real quick. So let's go. Yay! Just gonna go right here. So we're gonna take these clips off. That's step one. All right, guys. So these are the clips we gotta take off. So we're gonna start with this. Gotta pull this part off. It's super easy install. Yeah. All right. That's one. There's four in total, so we're gonna take them all off. All right. So now pull this and hope it don't break. All right. So I'm gonna start with this one. Yeah, there we go.
That's how you do it.
Yeah. All right.
Put your finger in there. Right there. Right here. Yeah. There you go.
Let's put this carbon piece on, baby. Got same clips as our original part, and we're just gonna clip it back in.
Get that side first.
This side, right?
Yeah. Look first. I just push it
Gotta
in.
line these up.
Go ahead.
All right. And that's it. So we got that on here now. It's all in. All we have to do is just put these clips in, and it's easy as that. All right, so we got the first clip in. There we go. All right, so you have to actually push the part in when you're doing this clip at the end. So push it in and then push your clip in. But we got it. That is ugly. That's a no-no. We need the carbon. That is the after. Dang, that looks so good.
I swear to God.
Guys, this is really easy to install. All right, you just need this too, bro. That's all you need. After that, it's all hands.
Crap me up, bro.
There we go.
Yeah.
Right. And then one more. When you're taking it off, it might break the clip, but
90% chance it's gonna break the clip. At least one clip. There you go.
all right. So that's pretty normal, but we're not gonna use these old ones anyway. So we're chilling. Just like that. See how easy that is, y'all? And now we just gotta put the clips in. Oh, there it is. All right, guys, so if you want it to be easier, take it all the way out, this little piece. It'll just make your life easier. And then you can tuck this. There it is.
Bro, would you drive BMW?
All right, guys, so here, we're gonna do the last one. I'm gonna push this one after. Once you get that in, push that black tab in.
Gotta go.
All right. There we go. That's it. That's all right. Guys, let me know, what do you think of this product right here? It's obviously better than these. Bye bye. I don't need y'all. Extreme Online Store. Look at this. That's so pretty. I love that color, but I also love red. Bike, I'm about to show y'all. Those headlights are crazy. Woohoo! Flame, bro. What the? Real quick. Look at that. Oh, hold on. Let's pop this open. Oh, shit, bitch.
Yeah, BMW actually called me and they were like, hey, do you want me to send you a free one? And I was like, sure, man.
I need that. I need this whole. I'm gonna get that next. If Come on, Extreme Online Store. Send me some more parts. I got you with the good videos. Alex, let's hear it. Dang, bro, I need those intakes. Dang, guys, I need lip, freaking vents, the grill, the ducts. I need all that. Dang, we could go M for M, baby. Yay. That red pretty. Candy red. Finding Nick. Turbo, baby! Guys, can we do one-handed, like, sharp turn right here? Oh, wow. Dang. That's crazy, bro. That is crazy. Woo. That's crazy. Look at this guy. Can y'all see him? So, don't forget to like, subscribe, check out the link in the description to check out their website, and I'll see you guys in the next one.